Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol. I have with me Chief Investment Officer Nandik Malik from Avendus. Nandik, thank you for joining me. There are near-term headwinds. We're seeing Israel attacking Iran, and then there's also VIX shooting up to 5%. You are a long-short fund manager. How are you placing the markets and in the near term?
No, the good thing is we are less dependent on markets as such because we are long short. So we have to give returns irrespective of whether markets are positive or negative. So a long only fund manager is a more concerned person at this point because if markets fall, they have to.
Right.
Some people will ask us why did not take proper action as well. In our case, we always take positions either side. We are a fairly risk-adjusted portfolio, so it's not bothering us that much. But again, I think that till election time, major correction should not happen because the kind of mandate which the present government may get would be closer to, let's say, what happened last time in 1984. It's a big number. So as of now, markets anticipating somewhere around, let's say, 420. If they overshoot that, then there could be a further rally as well. So I think domestically we are doing fairly well. It's mainly a function of how, let's say, an Israel-Iran crisis or Middle East or crude, factors which are outside of India, which dictate how markets move.
So India VIX has gone up.
Hmm.
It's at 13 now. We're seeing it volatility increase.
Hmm.
How is that affecting option premiums? And what trend are you seeing in the derivatives space?
No, so option premiums have gone up. But if you remember yesterday, Nifty moved by 200 points in 2 minutes, and then there was a bounce back again. So you will have these kind of moves because now what's happened is, see, we have become a low beta market. If you look end to end, if US is down 10%, we are not down so much. But if US is up, we're also not up so much. But that will be kind of covered with this brutal and wild intraday moves. So managing that intraday risk, I think, will be a challenge. But overall, I think point to point, we should be stable only.
What's your advice to traders to manage this kind of intraday moves?
No, so if you're a good trader, then you know what to do. If you're a new trader, then maybe wait for some more time before entering markets.
But you said about long short. Where are you? What kind of positioning are you doing? Which sectors are
Correct.
you going long on? Which where are you going long and where are you going short right now?
So conventional long short dictates that you're long some sectors and short some sectors. Yeah, but if you look at how markets have panned in the last 5-7 years, is options market has increased a lot.
Right.
So daily volume in options market is 2 crore, 3 crore notional. $2-3 trillion. It's a big number. So what we are doing is we are mainly into index options. So we are selling and buying options, and then we are trying to earn some spread and taking some slight directional position here and there. We think scale can be better achieved if positions are mainly at index level because of the liquidity. When you do stocks, what can happen is the longs can come down and the shorts can go up. Whereas if you do index level positions, the risk management is much better. So that's why rather than sectors, we are doing it through indices. But from sector perspective, I think banks have taken down. Banks have been underperforming a lot in the last 12-15 months. So some kind of a normalization expect.
So from an index perspective, are you in this like at Nifty at 22,000? What are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling more calls?
See, it's we are doing both. So in our portfolio,
But how
we do
much
both.
of a like what is the
Ratio you're saying?
in a way have you shifted your portfolio in the couple of weeks?
We shifted our portfolio on a daily basis, on an hourly basis. So it will be misleading if I tell you how.
Just some insights on what kind of shift you've made.
So, for example, we have sold some calls and we have bought some calls, and the puts we have sold are a bit far off, and then we have covered that with more far off puts. Mid caps we think might be under more pressure, so we have bought more mid cap options, and we have sold more, let's say, bank Nifty options and Nifty options.
All right. On that note, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.